What you saying, Neil?
I would take a book.
Really? You telling that to Grandma?
Is the Barbie board with here?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Nipple with face.
Yes, 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 yes.
And two
No.
with boys.
Yo, 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 yo.
C, D, E, F, G,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Get garbage.
A, B, C, D, E,
L,
F, G.
G, a boy, face. C, D, E, F, G.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, you're adorable. B, you're so beautiful. C, you're a cutie full of charms. D, you're a darling. And E, you're exciting. And F, you're a pleasure in my arms. G, you mean the world to me. H, you're so heavenly. W, X, Y, Z. It's fun to wander through the alphabets with you to tell you what you mean to me.
What you think, Bella?
I'll tell you.
How do we do?
I give a 2.
I bet you 2?
I would do that.
Wow.
Good, but it was scary.
Oh. Serious business?
No.
What country did you come from?
I grew up with the kids game.
Okay. Did you tell Grandma your ABCs? Did you do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
I got my to the box.
Twinkle,
With that.
twinkle, little star,
Where
how
are you?
I wonder what you are. Up above the sky so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Take a little star.
How I wonder.
Maybe good for stars. D, B, E, L, J, J, K, K, L, B,
Q, R, S,
T, O, B, W, X.
Y, and Z. Good job.
Now I know my ABCs.
Then J, K, L, P.
She just said H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P.
ABCs.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?